Hello! We are starting to go through Book B, which is learning all about basically the different pieces of a car, something that looks kind of like a car. So we're going to be talking about wheels, we're going to be talking about axles, and today in this video we're going to be talking a little bit about friction. So friction is a force between two things. So we're going to pretend like this is the ground and this is what it is. So it's a force between this and our pretend ground here. And some things have more friction, and if something has more friction, then that means, so it's going to move a little bit, but it's not going to move very much. Or it's not going to move as fast as if, let's say, there was wheels on here. So if there was wheels, there would be less friction, and so then it would move a lot faster. So it's the force that kind of keeps this, it's moving a little bit, but it's what keeps it from just sliding right off right now. And friction is important because if we didn't have any friction, then wheels would be just spinning and spinning and they wouldn't go anywhere. So kind of like if you've ever been in a car that's stuck in snow or stuck in mud where the wheels are just spinning, 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 it's because there's no friction, or in the case of cars, there's no traction. So friction is actually really important to make things move. So then we're gonna move on and learn a bit about wheels next time.